exciting day. I got Johnny behind me. We're gonna be at the end ramp of Yankeetown. As you all know, I was giving away a trip, and Johnny, he's the random trip giveaway winner. So since I know he's a kayak fisherman out of Yankeetown, I figured we'd try to stay near where he would be in range of his kayak for trips when he goes without me. And we're gonna have a 15 to 20 mile an hour wind today, so it makes sense that we stay in close. We're gonna try to fish around Kelly Creek to Vassy Creek, around Hodges Island, that whole area. And we're gonna stick to the middle stuff and try to find some shelter. So let's see if we can find some fish. We'll meet Johnny at the ramp. Stay tuned. All right, there he is.
JohnnyFish.
See what's biting today. That's the crazy thing about Yankeetown, is you never know where there's gonna be a monster snook. Snook like the strong current, right on the edge of the current breaks. That was super snooky right there. I didn't get a hit.
You find the potholes in the hole.
Oh! Come on. Oh, that was a snook.
I heard that big pop.
He followed it off this point, right where we thought he was going to be. I just had a fish hit it. Oh! Twice! Come on! Come back for it. You had one little one behind the boat?
Yeah.
Oh, I did have that one huge one laying under my lure. I want to know what that fish was. That was a huge swirl. Is that a hit?
Yep.
You got a big fish. I heard it. Something following yours.
Come on.
It looks like a big wave behind it. That's where you need that soft plastic after them.
Yeah.
Well, I like staying close to the ramp simply because I want to learn like more that's close to the ramp on windy days, you know?
Right.
And then I also want to be in an area that you can get in your kayak if we find a honey hole. I want both of us to know about it.
Absolutely.
I don't want to take you 30 miles from the ramp and then it doesn't benefit you at all. For the weather.
Myself too.
Okay. Wow, this is windy. That's a snook. Actually, he's staying down like a red, but he's running like a snook to me. He just hasn't surfaced yet. Oh, it is a snook. Big snook. He's going to be just under slot, I think.
Nice fish.
Yeah, right at 27.
Nice fish.
He might hit 28.
Just hit it.
Yeah, that's a 27. It's an inch short.
25.
26. It's about the same size as the one I caught yesterday. The one yesterday was 26.
Nice hook set too.
And a shrimp too. Isn't that funny? Right when I said all the shrimp or snook were on shrimp yesterday.
Yeah, right. Flip it up.
He's at least 26. That's a good fish. 27 pinch tail. 28. Oh my god. 27.9. Are you serious?
Do you have a bump board?
No. Close his mouth all the way and grip his mouth. What is it? Hey, go for it this way. He's a little short. Right there.
16.
He's exactly 28. That's a risky one.
Where's your phone? You want to?
Nice 28-inch snook.
Beautiful fish. Nice.
Alright, that's 28-inch snook. Oh, we got a big rock right here. Come on, swim. Going over some shallow stuff. There he goes.
Nice kick.
There you go. Johnny with a snook. Snook on a shrimp again too. Right in the cut. Nice fish.
Beautiful day.
Johnny on a nice snook. There you go. Is yours a keeper? It's about the same size as mine.
I think maybe so.
They're all 28. Good fish. Yours is bigger.
Oh, that is actually.
That's a slot. He only needs a ½ inch bigger than mine. I think he is a ½ inch bigger than mine. Good fish. Oh! Damn. Guess we should have netted him on the first run.
Turn the camera off.
Let Johnny cry a little bit back there. Yeah, at least that's why I started. Yep. We use both of our fishing skills to find this little pocket of fish. We're working together to find them. It's not a very big fish. Honestly, it feels like a baby snook or a jack. A trout. It's not a huge one, but it's a good size one. It's a keeper.
That's fat.
He's actually short. He's just super fat.
Oh shit.
He's a fat little guy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Or a red, actually. Too big to be a trout. It might be a big fat trout, actually. Baby redfish. All right, we broke the ice. Little red.
Oh, little red.
Wait, we got a slam. I got a trout, snook, and our first redfish. All right, that makes me excited because that's the first time I've actually caught a fish on a shrimp working this bank. I know there's big reds that sit by those bars. I'm actually happy that that bar is out of the water because when you drift over it too fast, it's hard to tell where that bar is on a high tide.
Okay.
So low tide, now we know where the drop off is. I think at low tide it's better for the shrimp just to let it sit in the deep hole. Oh, there we go. Is that seriously a lady?
Is it?
Oh my god. He took off. I hate ladyfish. It's a good fish. That's a red. Finally, nice redfish. It's starting to feel like a cat.
No, it's not.
It's a nice red. There we go. All right, old spot paid off.
Nice.
There we go. Low tide fishing holes. That's a keeper red. We found a little drop off right here. At low tide, it'd bring all the fish to this little drop off. Shrimp on a jig. Can't get easier than that. You want them for dinner? 20 inches.
Is he?
Yep. There you go. Set the hook this time. Set it.
Circle hook, you don't set it.
Well, make sure it's freaking hooked this time. We lost 5 fish. Is it a good red?
She's got some. Whoa.
Yeah, you're dragging the boat.
Whatever it is.
You got a big redfish? Go, Johnny, go! Johnny with the big red.
We hope.
This better not be a big sail cat. It's got shoulders like a big red.
It's got head shake too.
Mr. Johnny.
Unless it's a jack.
There's not enough popping for a jack. I don't see the tail whip. The lucky spot, huh?
Oh, I love this spot.
Yeah. There's like 5 good runs in a row that we've had. That's a keeper. He's
That
not.
is absolutely a keeper.
That's a 24. He's not even that big. He's only 23 inches. Made him look like he was huge. That's barely bigger than mine. He just wanted to show.
That's meaner. That's just meaner right there.
Because he ate a mud minnow. Nice fish.
Yeah, he inhaled it.
That's a nice fish.
It's fat.
23 incher. 23.
23.
Beautiful fish.
That's why we come out.
There's gonna be a red by that grass line, I feel like. That looks good. Nice red. It's not huge. It's hard to work this trolling motor and catch a fish. 20-mile-an-hour wind. Getting blown away out here. Holy crap. Catching fish little by little. It's a monster. It's awesome. That's a lady. Red.
That's a red.
Good job. I thought I had a red.
Oh.
It's a nice little cove, huh? We got out of the wind. Caught a fish.
Out of the wind.
I can hear you talking. I can hear the fish splash. That's a first.
Oh, look at that. Circle.
Nice little fish. Pretty. Pretty small. Redfish. Little guy. Not a lady.
For once.
We found fish. Hey, how the heck did he swallow it? I don't want to hear it. Circle hook. How the heck did you swallow a whole jig head, dude?
You had a circle hook on you.
Mm-hmm. They're not supposed to swallow jig heads.
Not unless they're hungry.
Good lord, dude.
Yes, it did.
Finally got one artificial, huh?
Give me a ladyfish. Oh, no.
Oh, it's a little red. It looks super dark.
Yeah, he's lit up. Tail is lit up.
Got one on the swim bait. Nice. There's fish in the grass lines. Looks like Johnny's out fishing me now. He needs a trout and a snook to catch up. Redfish, good job. I guess you do know how to use artificial. So I guess circling around the same spots paid off. It's a baby.
Aww.
It's a baby. Here's the size of the shrimp should be.
That's exactly right.
Please be a good red. Don't be a jack. Oh, dude, this is a big red. It's like my first cast of the swim bait. Why does that look like a cat? Oh my god.
Is it really?
It's a giant sail cat.
That's the one that's gonna school.
Jeez. And I've been throwing shrimp all day, not catch catfish. I put a lure on, I catch a cat. They grow them big in Yankeetown. Jeez, it won't get out of his stupid head.
Was that the super grand slam?
Close that bail. That's a snook. Little guy. Oh, I just spit it.
Again!
That's funny, there's two snook on this little bank. Circle hooks suck.
Yeah, I haven't.
It's a good red.
Ooh, yeah.
Big red. See why I come back to this spot? When you got a spot you trust, you come back to it.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a good 23 incher. Nice fish. That's an artificial too. beautiful red. Yeah. It choked it down. That's a pretty fish.
That is.
Alright, get in there. Right on the grass line. There we go. He was right up against the grass too, like in the grass. A little gold DOA swim bait. Nice fat redfish. Already got our limit. You guys are calling it quits in the wind today.
We had some fish. Good man right here. He knows his stuff.
Heading back to the ramp. Can't take the wind anymore. Fish all these spots 10 times a day.